So in most of the really good teams in like Europe, there's not much Saudi players, and I hope that I can change that with the Saudi camps and academies. So like we can show that we are Saudi and like change the football world.
So one day I stepped on the pitch and I started loving it. And it's also because my uncle used to play in Al Nasr team a long time ago, and he made me like football. And that's it.
Because if you're asking me, is Saudi a country of football, I'll tell you definitely yes, on every level. They love to play, they love to watch, they love to cheer and support.
Yeah, so like most of the football players in the World Cup, they had to train like me, and they had to train really hard, and some people had it a little more harder, so they can earn the dream of playing on TV and maybe the best tournament in the world, the World Cup.